Hey everyone, it's Kim Angel Dream Crafts and I'm super excited about this video. This is a swap that I am in with the wonderful, talented, sweet and kind Miss Ruby, who is Little Books here on YouTube. Hey Ruby! I'm super excited about this. We've been talking back and forth for a little while now, and we agreed to do like a journal and some goodies and things like that. So, I'm such a fan of Ruby's work, so I'm very thrilled to be and honored to be able to do the swap. This is actually Ruby's very first swap, so I'm just like in awe of her work. It's so beautiful. So there's actually two packages. So this is the first package. So I'm not sure which one the journal is in. So I'll have to see when I open it, but this is the one that I chose to open first. So let me get the items out. And I have to say, the scent that is coming from these is just so beautiful. Oh, it must be the rose items that she talks about in her video. There was this flower. Oh my gosh, Ruby. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, what did you do? Oh, I think I see a card too. Okay, so that is this package. Now, Ruby, there was a little hole in the bag, so you'll have to tell me if anything fell out. There was this little hole in the bag, so it wasn't quite that big, but it was about that big. It was about that big, so there was a little bit of a hole there. So you'll have to tell me if anything was missing. Okay, let me do the card first. Oh, look at this beautiful envelope. Oh, it says Dear Kim. Like I said, I am such a huge fan of Ruby's work. And you're going to find the link in the description box below for her. Oh, Ruby, you have no idea. This is one of my favorite images. I actually did a wall hanging with this last year with this very image. I love it. It says blessed. Oh, I love her. So pretty. Oh, thank you, Ruby. Dearest Kim, I hope you enjoy the journal and book made especially for you. I have included some useful goodies for your stash. You are a very gifted lady, and it's a pleasure to send you some treats. Made with love. Hugs, sweet friend, Ruby. Aw, well, you are a very talented lady as well. And her work is so inspiring to me. I just love her style. She's amazing. You guys, if you're not subbed to her, you got to go over and check out her channel. She's just very cool and amazing. So I'll just go with what's on top here, and that is this. Look at this beautiful brooch piece that is sitting on top here. I love this. Oh, it's so pretty, Ruby. Thank you so much for that. You know, what is life without a bit of bling in it, right? So I think what I'll do is I'll open this one first, and then we'll do these two. Like I said, I'm not really sure what is what. I don't know if this is the book or not, but she's got it wrapped in this beautiful blue polka dot tissue paper, and then she's got this amazing vintage lace wrapped around it. Oh my gosh, I love this. And she's also added some doilies here as well. Now it is a little bit beat up with the tissue here, but that's okay. It's not a problem. Look at these beautiful doilies that she's added to the top. Perfect size for flower making. Thank you so much, Ruby. Oh, I love those. They're gorgeous. And then look at this beautiful lace. Oh, that's vintage. And Ruby is like me. She loves to hand dye things. And there is some hand-dyed goodies in your box, Ruby. So your box is on its way. So this might be the journal, actually. Ooh, maybe I should wait. Should I wait? Yeah, let's do the journal last. How about that? We'll wait. I'm pretty sure that's the journal now that I see it. Okay, so we'll do this. We'll do this one. I'm so excited. I don't know what to do. I love this beautiful rose tissue paper that you've used here, Ruby. It's really lovely. So let me, scissors. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this swap. I was thrilled Ruby said yes when I asked her if she wanted to swap. I was like, oh my goodness. What did you do? Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh Ruby. Are you kidding me? Look at this ribbon. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Oh, it's a gorgeous, like, gray silver satin ribbon. I have nothing like this in my stash. What a beautiful color. And I was just saying the other day that pink and gray is one of my favorite colors to use. Look at this. Oh, it's gorgeous. Wow. Ruby, you sent so much of it. Oh my goodness, there's 25 meters on here. Oh, I'm going to make some flowers out of that too. Look at how beautiful that is. It's double-sided satin. Oh, and the smell that is coming from this, just absolutely beautiful, scented everything here. It's just so lush smelling. Oh, Ruby, that's gorgeous. Thank you so much. Oh, wow, I love it. I love the color. These are going to make beautiful ribbon roses. Oh, I can't wait to make some of those. Look at how beautiful those are going to be. Oh, I love it, Ruby. Thank you so much. That is so sweet and kind of you. Thank you so much, my dear friend. And then she sent some fabric. Oh, this is like a burlap almost, or a hessian. And it's got these beautiful, very shabby roses on here. Would that not make a gorgeous cover for a book? Oh, I love it. I love it. I'm sorry, my husband's friend is over, so that's the voices you're hearing in the background. Oh, Ruby, this is beautiful. Thank you so much. I really, really love that. It's gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Ruby. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me just put these aside. And yeah, I am going to leave the journal till last, I think. I'm pretty sure that's what that one is. So let me just open this next package. One more snip here should do it. Just want to make sure I don't cut anything. There we go. Oh, I'm so excited. So excited. And we're having the most beautiful weather here right now, too. Not too hot, not too cold. Oh my gosh, Ruby. I love this tissue paper. I love it. I'm going to do a canvas or a box or something with that. And then she's done more of this beautiful blue tissue paper here. Oh my gosh, Ruby, what did you do? Now this was on top of one of the packages as well. This beautiful rose flower in this beautiful dusty pink color. I love it. Excuse me. Sorry about that. I was just saying how beautiful the weather is. Must be allergy season. Sorry about that. Thank you for that beautiful rose, Ruby. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh, Ruby's beautiful hand-dyed items. Oh, wow. Look at. Oh, these are gorgeous paper flowers. Oh my gosh, Ruby, these are amazing. Oh, they're die cuts. Oh, these are beautiful. Oh, I've never seen anything like these. Oh, they're gorgeous. Look at these. Oh my goodness, these are beautiful, Ruby. Oh, I love them. Look at these, you guys. Oh, they're beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, and they're embossed. Oh, and they pop up too. You can make them dimensional because they pop up, see? You could make those dimensional. And then these are the small pieces that you can layer on top. I don't want to take those out at the moment, but they're the little pieces that go on top of these flowers, like so they become three-dimensional. I'm pretty sure that's what these are. Oh, I love these. These are gorgeous. Oh my gosh, Ruby, those are amazing. So beautiful. Thank you so much. Oh, I really love those. Thank you. So unique. It's so fun doing swaps because, you know, people send you things that you don't normally, you know, get, or if it's from a different country, you know, they're things that you can't get in your country. And she sent me some beautiful paper. I love this. Oh, this is gorgeous paper. Look at this. Look at that beautiful bird. And some beautiful pink. It's got little leaves on it. Oh, look at that one. Oh, absolutely stunning. And then a pink damask with some script. Oh, these would make beautiful tags. Oh, Ruby, thank you so much. Love it. Oh, so beautiful. And she has things like color coordinated. Now, this is a bag that Ruby has made. Ruby is also a sewer. So, oh, look at this. I'm sure she's hand dyed this too. Look at this beautiful color here. Oh, Ruby, this is beautiful. And then she's tied. I love this color. This is that raspberry color that I really, really like. And it's a piece of vintage trim from probably off a doily or a table runner. And she's dyed it this beautiful raspberry color. Oh, I love it. You'll have to tell me, Ruby, how you achieved this color, what you used to get that color. I love this color. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at this bag, you guys. So I'm sure she's used vintage linens for this because Ruby does love vintage like me. And it's this beautiful fuchsia pink color. And then it's like a purpley pink here that she's dyed. And then she's made a little heart here that she's appliqued on. And she's done a little zigzag stitch. And then she's got more vintage fabric up here that she's dyed. Oh, this bag is beautiful, Ruby. I love it. Oh, it's just gorgeous. I'm going to have to keep something very, very special in here for sure. Oh my gosh, and she's put goodies in here. Oh my goodness. Oh, Ruby. Oh, wow. Oh, it's got, oh, it hangs up. Oh my goodness. I did not know that. Oh, Ruby sent some of her stick pins. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's the bag, and it's got a hanger on it. I'm hanging this in my craft room for sure. It's got a hanger on it. Look at, and she's got some pearls on here, some vintage laces. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful, Ruby. Look at what she's done here. I bet she hand sewed those on there too. Oh, those are beautiful. I love these little pearls you've got on here. I love how you did that bag. And she's got some tulle and ribbon and a doily. And it's fully lined. Absolutely gorgeous. Another little vintage doily here on the back. Absolutely stunning and gorgeous bag. I love the color. It's so pretty and shabby. I just love those colors together. Oh, it's just beautiful. Thank you so much, Ruby. Oh my goodness. And she has sent another big piece of bling here. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's amazing. And Ruby loves stick pins, and she has created some beautiful big stick pins for me. Oh my goodness. Let's do one at a time because they're so amazing. Look at this. Oh, I love how you did that, Ruby. Look at these beautiful blue tones that she's got on here, and a big pearl at the top, and then these dangles she's got here with the beads, and it's like an aurora borealis color. They're little hearts. Oh, I love how you did that. I love that chain. And then she's got this porcelain bead here and a heart, and all kinds of beautiful, beautiful beads. Thank you so much, Ruby. That's gorgeous. I love it. And then this one here, she's got a beautiful flower on the top, and this very vintage looking bead right here. I love that. Big pearl. I love big pearls like that. Look at all these beautiful beads. Oh, Ruby, they're beautiful. Thank you so much. Oh, I'm going to cherish those for sure. I love stick pins. Love stick pins. And inside the package, she has added, oh my goodness, a ton of this beautiful trim. Look at this, you guys, in this gorgeous color. It's like a very light taupe color, and that's vintage, I'm sure. Oh, Ruby, that's beautiful, and it's just got a little ribbon going through here. Oh, it's beautiful. Thank you, Ruby, and you sent so much, my goodness. Oh, wow. Thank you, Ruby. You are just the sweetest. And then she sent, oh, look at this. This is French. French Alison lace, one of my favorites, beaded trim. Oh my gosh, Ruby, that is beautiful, and I'm sure that's vintage as well. English laces, right? Absolutely stunning and gorgeous. Oh, that's beautiful, Ruby. Thank you so much. You are too kind, my friend. Oh, and she's made the sweetest little hearts. Oh, look at these. Look at how beautiful these are. I love these. Oh, these are gorgeous. Oh, I love these, Ruby. So pretty. Ruby is a wonderful seamstress, as you can see, as well as being super talented with her mixed media and crafting. She's a very, very talented seamstress. And here she's made some flowers, because we all love handmade flowers. Oh my gosh. Oh, Ruby, these are beautiful. Look at these. She's made some rolled roses here in this beautiful cream color. Love those. Absolutely stunning. And then this folded flower with some beautiful satin trim and a lovely pale pink and a little very light lavender flower in the center that she's glittered up. Oh, these are gorgeous, Ruby. Thank you so much. I just love handmade flowers. You just can't beat them. You know, you can't get things like that in the store. Whoops. Just absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. Okay, let me put these aside here, and I think what I'm going to do is come back and do a part 2, because I want to be able to you know, really show the journal off well. So I've got another package here, and yeah, I'll come back and do a part 2 for you guys, because we're already at 20 minutes. So I'll be back with the second part. Be right back. Thank you, Ruby.